Hello students, welcome in Maths 9 class. Today we are going to study basic concepts in geometry. In this figure, you can see that Egyptian pyramids. These were constructed with the study of geometry. And this geometrical knowledge made them to measure the earth. Means geometry is derived from the word geo means earth and metric means measuring of earth. In this, Thales has studied much more on the geometry, and Pythagoras is a student of Thales. They were studied more in geometry, and they given the various concepts in the geometry. Like that, Indian mathematician also more contributed in the geometry. Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, etc. are contributed in the geometry. They are studied. Next point is that basic concept in geometry, that is point, line, and plane. We cannot define point, line, and a plane. Point means the tip of a needle. Line means straight line, and plane. Though we are not defining the number like that, we cannot define point, line, and a plane. Next, we are going to study number line. In this number line, you can see this starting point starts from the 0. That is here O is a point and coordinates of O is 0. Like that, point D, its coordinate is 1, and next point P, E, that is coordinate 3. In this right side, numbers are positive, and for the left side, numbers are negative. Here, point C is coordinates -2, B coordinates -3, A coordinate -5. We can see that the distance between D and E, D's coordinate is 1 and E's coordinate is 3. In this example, you can say that here distance ED is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, length ED is equal to 2. Distance ED is equal to length ED, that is equal to 2. Similarly, distance D is equal to 2. In this example, that is distance CD. See the CD point. C is a point, its coordinate is -2, and A's coordinate is -5. And we are not going to study here. We are going to C and D. C's coordinate is -2 and D's coordinate is +1. So that here you can say that 1 minus -2, this minus sign and this minus sign makes a plus, so that it is a 3. Distance CD is equal to length of CD is equal to 3. Similarly, distance CD is equal to 3. Like that, distance AB, coordinates of A is -5 and B's coordinate is -3. So that -3 is greater than -5. Therefore, distance AB is equal to -3, minus sign inside minus, so that minus minus plus, and it is minus as it is. Minus plus is equal to minus, therefore it is a 2. Next, we are going to study this betweeners. What do you mean by betweeners? This in between point, which is that. See here, P, Q, R. These are collinear points, and Q is in between P and R. So that Q is in between P and R. Like that, here you can see R is in between P and Q, and P is in between R and Q. We will study the distance of these points distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. Therefore, Q is in between P and R. Next example we are going to study. Here, point A, B, C are such that distance AB is equal to 5, distance BC is equal to 11, and distance AC is equal to 6. Which of the point is in between 2? Then we will see on the number line. This is A point, C point, B point. But here it is given distance BC is equal to 11. This is 1. And next, distance AB plus distance AC means 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Means distance BC is equal to distance AB plus distance AC from 1 and 2. Therefore, point A is in between B and C. Next example, you can see that U, V, and A are the three cities on a straight road. The distance between U and A is 215 kilometers. Between V and A is 140 kilometers, and between U and V is 75 kilometers. Which of them is in between of two? We will see the solution here. Distance UA is equal to 215. Distance VA is equal to 140, and distance UV is equal to 75. Then we will add these two distance, this 140 and 75. That is distance UV plus distance VA is equal to 75 plus 140 is equal to 215. Then distance UA is 215. Therefore, distance UA is equal to distance UV plus distance VA. Therefore, the city V is between the U and A. Next, we will see the example. Here, the coordinates of the point A on a number line is 5. And find the coordinates of the point on the same number line which are 30 units away from the A. A is a point here that is denoted with the coordinates 5. So if we go from A to D for a right side, we will get 5 plus 13. That is point D will be 18. Means point D's coordinates are 18. And if we go for the left side from plus 5 and from the 0 to left side minus sign. So therefore 5 minus 13, the T point denotes minus 8. Therefore, the distance AD is equal to distance AT. Therefore, that is 13. Like that, AD is 13 from this, and even AT is also 13 from this point. Okay.